Wait.
How
are you, Hello, hello. Lalagay lang ang upuan. Alam niyo na, bawal masilipan.
Michelle, would you like to greet everyone? You have our friends from the media, MMVers. Go ahead.
Sa lahat na nandito po, to everyone that made and carved some time to be here, maraming salamat. Mahal ko kayo. My MMVers that's here, maraming salamat. Of course, my Star Music family. Thank you. Alam mo, kagabi lang sila dumating from the BB Tour. Kaya jet lag na po sila. Kaya it means so much to me that you all are here. Maraming salamat. Of course, my GMA Sparkle family is here as well. Miss Tracy, hi. Ate Jel, hello. And of course, I would not be this confident on stage if it wasn't for, of course, A-Team, who really taught me how to strut and really dance. Kaya, thank you, A-Team. Coach Arda, if you're there, hey, hey. Actually, dami ko kailangan pasalamatan. Of course, my glam team, I wouldn't look like this if it weren't for my glam team, my styling team, and everyone who makes this possible. It takes a village to create all of this. So to everyone that was part of it, maraming salamat po.
Truly queen-like, yung talaga ina-acknowledge lahat. Those who have been part of your journey, di ba?
Of course. You that's here also. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much, Michelle. Okay, now, let's talk about this venue naman. It's very iconic. The Dolphy Theater, of course, is one of the most iconic places here in ABS-CBN. How do you feel performing Reyna and launching the music video here?
Someone pinched me. Someone pinched me. I think the last time I was here was when my mom did something here when I was this high pa lang.
Wow.
Hindi pa ako towering splendid with my long legs, but it feels like a full circle moment for me because of course I take so much inspiration from my mom and I've learned so much from her. Kaya to be in this iconic theater, the Dolphy Theater, grabe. It's a milestone mark for my career, of course. Thank you.
We're so happy to have you here as well, Michelle. Now, syempre, many people know you as this beauty queen. So, from the pageant stage to the music scene, did you ever imagine yourself becoming a recording artist?
Yes!
Really?
Yes, I did. For those that don't know, I was in theater. Growing up, my first play as a freshman was actually Wicked. And I played Prince Fiero. I played Fiero. I also did Ariel. Ano nga ulit yun? Oh my gosh. Little Mermaid. Yun. Ariel. And I was active in the Glee Club. I was in the choir. So lahat ng masses in school, ako po I mean, like I was part of that. It's just mas na-highlight lang talaga yung pagiging adrenaline junkie ko, being part of the varsity. Of course, when I started my career, I started with acting, and when you're a beauty queen, of course, you're not fighting for yourself or your career, you're fighting for the country. It's not a selfish battle, it's a battle for the country. And it was after Miss Universe that felt like it was the right time to finally expose a side of me that I've been itching to do. Alam ng mga MMDvers here that I communicate with them through songs. They're so good at deciphering like what I'm trying to say. And kaya, like, iba rin talaga yung relationship ko with my fans because they're not just fans of my family din.
Oh, grabe. Overflowing.
Cute ng Reyna. Palaban talaga yan, no?
Meron silang LED, meron silang, ano ba tawag dun sa bubblehead, no? Bubblehead ng ating, tsaka may Reyna na nakalagay. Thank you for all the effort, yes guys, for today. Okay, now, ang dami mong sinurprise dun sa iyong live performance, Michelle. Kasi akala nila music video launch lang, tapos biglang may live performance. But right now, we actually have a surprise naman for you. It's a little surprise, yes. Okay, so you've been owning every stage, and just like a hit song, you keep climbing, charting new milestones, and inspiring more people with each move. So before we continue with the rest of the program, let's take a moment to celebrate just how far you have come. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look back at how Reyna made its mark and the milestones Michelle has achieved since its release. Let's all watch this.
million sa bulsa natin. My gosh! Nakakataba po talaga ng puso because, we made together with Star Music and of course GMA. When we came together to create a song, our objective was really, really straight. It was clear. This is for every single queen, whether you're a woman, man, or anything in between. It's for you to find your strength to be who you are. And this is just a product of so many people being able to relate to that. Kaya marami pa pong kailangan abangan.
No wonder Reyna is such a certified hit talaga because it speaks to so many people. Now, while we were watching that video, meron ba mga parang nag-flashback sa'yo na, oo nga pala nangyari yan. Like, nung pumasok ka sa PBB,
Madami.
yung nag-cover, nag-dance cover ng iyong
Yes,
song.
yes.
What can you mention?
I mean, going back the memory lane, I've known about Reyna, this song. I've hawak ko na yung mastered material since last year. It wasn't easy. It wasn't an overnight thing that we wanted to do. We knew how much this might mean to people, how it's marking like my whole career. It's like summing it up because di naman po ako nakilala kasi nanalo sa Miss Universe. It's because I actually came home na hindi dala ang corona but was celebrated because everyone saw the hard work, the blood, the sweat, the tears, and mas maraming ang natatalo sa buhay kaysa sa nananalo. And that's why it's a very, very powerful song that, of course, we package in a way that's so empowering that you shouldn't cry when something bad happens. You should celebrate yourself. You should celebrate the losses, celebrate the wins. And ito yung mangyayari sa inyo. Pero it wasn't ang dami nangyayari kasi, from conceptualizing it, and I took a very active role behind the scenes, not just as the talent, but also as the creative. So it was very collaborative between me, ABS, and GMA. And I'm so proud of my team Personify that produced the first music video that you saw. And ito rin, I'm so excited for all of you to see it because this one is really dedicated to all of you, specifically for this month, specifically for the community that really screams loud and proud for our pride. Kaya this one is really for them. Marami po tayong pagdadaanan. I'm just glad we're off to a great start.
We are, yes. We really do love MMD. And now that you've mentioned it, na meron ng special version, let's talk about that. So, later on, we are gonna let you watch the whole music video for the first time, pero bukas pa talaga yung launch niya, okay? June 26, 7 p.m. So tomorrow, 7 p.m. But because, this day is full of surprises, you are gonna be the first ones to see Reyna music video Pride version. But before we play it, syempre pag-usapan muna natin.
Of course.
Okay,
So mag-chika muna tayo.
yeah, so para alam natin what to expect, ano bang aabangan, tsaka para mas may meaning yung music video pag pinanood natin. So let's talk about the reason behind the Pride version. So this is a special version of the Reyna music video, specifically created to celebrate Pride Month.
I only came out, I think, around 2023 after I won Miss Universe Philippines. But even before then, I was a loud and proud ally na rin of the LGBT community. Of course, my mom. I really credit my mom na ganun ako mag-isip kasi bata pa lang ako. She was so vocal about her love to the gay community, to the whole community. But if you remember, I was the most bashed Miss Universe Philippines queen. And it was because they were trying to take that against me, my identity against me. And when I came out, I finally mustered up the strength to come out because I didn't want to come out in competition. My fight wasn't about that. Of course, I advocate for autism awareness, and I just knew, knowing the pageant community, that if I came out in competition, everything else that I was fighting for might have been clouded. But everything happens for a reason because it's when I came out after, grabe talaga yung reception and how it really turned the table for me and my confidence and the kind of love I received to the community. And I know this is a big community that helped me do what I did in El Salvador, do what I did after. And this is really for them and for what they've been able to do for me. And I won't be tired of screaming my alliance because we are part of an amazing community. I love June. If my birthday was just on June, favorite month ko na siya. Pero bias tayo sa April, but if ever, it's such an amazing time to celebrate your pride and to celebrate who you are. And it's more than just being out. It's about loving your own and everybody around you.
So, perfect timing talaga na hinintay mo muna. Pinalipas mo na yung April, tapos talagang June. You know, mas may impact talaga because it really is for the community.
Yes. And kung kilala niyo yung nanay ko, I think mas makikita niyo yung nanay ko sa video na to. And you really see na I am the daughter of my mom. Kaya I'm so excited for y'all to see it. Medyo pinaghirapan po talaga namin. This video was created by Yumi Us. If hindi nyo pa sila kilala, they've produced so many amazing music videos for BN and some of your favorite bands. Kaya we really had the best onto this project, of course.
Napanood mo na ba yung music video? And what was your reaction?
Siyempre, creative producer din naman ako dito. But my reaction, you know, it's whenever I do something kasi, it's really, you know, you're just every single day, you're just trying to do the best that you can. And when all of those micro steps finally come together to create an amazing visual, amazing story, yung tipo ang sarap matulog. Kasi ilang araw yun ang walang tulog. And really working behind the scenes. And it's so fun. It's fun, it's light, it's empowering, it's so gay. And it just means a lot. And hopefully it resonates with a lot of people also. And hopefully it's just a party. It's really meant to celebrate the song and all of its pride. And sa sobrang reyna niya. Sobrang reyna ng energy lang.
Kahit yung sinabi mo, feeling ko relatable, yung mga walang tulog dyan, mga, pag nakita mo na yung final product na deserve mo talaga mag-rest after. Ganun, kasi ang ganda, parang nagbunga lahat ng hard work ng sarili mo and your team as well. So, we're so excited to see it. But while we haven't seen it yet, without spoiling anything, ano yung most memorable scenes mo or yung mga filming experiences mo during the music video?
I was so nervous shooting this because we shot this, I think, before the other music video that we shot also. So this was actually one of the first moments that I had to really sing and dance. So I do have so much pride for what I was able to do here. But syempre, on a different note naman, you know, always sharing the same stage as my mom is always such a memorable thing for me. But may cameo role ako here in this video. And hindi siya tao. But one of the things that I love was that my childhood dream car, I was able to turn pink. And I was able to include it in this music video. And pagbigyan niyo na ako, very sentimental queen ako. I've been working towards getting a Jeep for myself, and finally for it to be in one of my first music videos and to see it there in all of its pink glory, parang it just feels really good. And syempre, it was the first time that I was able to work with ABS-CBN together with GMA. Kaya everything collectively, it's so hard to choose just one. But ayun, it's a collective effort, collective success po talaga.
Speaking of collective effort, I just learned kanina actually, mas nauna pa tong collab na to between ABS-CBN Music and GMA kaysa sa PBB. Talaga ito yung first collab ng dalawang network. So, ikaw talaga yung dun sa collab na yun. So, before we play it, any final words that you want to tell them bago natin i-play yung music video?
Honestly, I just wanted to say thank you sa walang sawang suporta sa akin. To everyone that's here that I constantly see every year, maraming salamat. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang mukha, no? And I hope you enjoy. Thank you, of course, to my Star Music family, my GMA Sparkle Management family, my personal team that's here, Personify, my glam team, my styling team, everyone. Know that I love you, and everyone that's watching, hey, mabuhay, agasala. I hope that you guys enjoy this.
Alright, this is it, the moment we have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Michelle D's official music video for Reyna Pride Virgin.